give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Hey guys. Hey YouTubers, it's LashGo. Today, another unboxing. I think they're Hot Wheels cars again. There's the packages there. The reason why I've got the paper on them is so that you don't get the address of who sent it, because they may not want you to send them stuff, so I've hidden them just for legal, just for the legal side of things as well. So I've already tried opening them. I've broken all the sticky tape, so now I'm just gonna open them now. So let's get to it. I'm excited, yeah. Alright guys, now this is the second stage. Got some noodles. Right, let's open this one up. Newspaper. Read that for later. They're both from eBay. Alright, this is the final unpacking to this one. So my Mazda RX-7 that I didn't have. And I didn't even know it was didn't even know that it was a treasure hunt. Sorry guys. I didn't even know it was a treasure hunt. Eh? Logo? I'm gonna cut my nail. Yeah, see? Didn't even know it was a treasure hunt. I just liked it, didn't have it, so I got it. Tampos on it, pretty cool. If it decides to zoom in. Come on. There's no back tampos, but I can change that if I want. Don't know what that logo is up the top there, that one there. Don't know what that one is either. It's got a wide body kit on it, which is pretty cool. Doesn't have any tampos at the front. and you can't see into the interior because it's very dark. You can see it through the open window. It's got a roll cage in it and it's all blue by the looks of things. That was a surprise. It was a treasure hunt and didn't even know. It's an old one. (2012). So yeah. It's just, I think it's just, yeah, it is. It's just a regular treasure hunt because it doesn't have the rubber wheels. So that's that one. Next is this package here. That's package 1. Now package 2. And get it out, and there we are there. It's McLaren P1. As you saw, my last unboxing was a McLaren as well, but it was an orange one. I'm collecting the different colours, and this one's a white one. I got it off of eBay as well. Just a standard one. No tampos at the back. Well, very rare, very little. Let's get it out of this package. Alright, we got it out of the package. McLaren P1. It's got tiny tampos. It doesn't have any tail lights. That can change. Big wing at the back, curved. I will be cracking it open. Big glass top, closed window, nice wheels, plastic tyres, there's tampos there, and the McLaren symbol in the middle, bit of pinstriping. Okay, that's the McLaren P1 2017, last year's model. So that's that. Got them both from eBay. It always costs me a lot of money, so I really want to trade. So there they are. They're the two packages that I got today in the mail. My Mazda RX-7 Hot Wheels, and the other Hot Wheels is my McLaren P1. And guys, comment, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button, like, you have to like, do all those things and you can win a spinner. And tell me what country you're from. I'll mail it to anywhere in the world. Right, guys. That's that. Alright, guys. So I'd like to say thank you for watching and help me get to 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers. Come on. Yeah. Help me get to 100 subscribers, please. Please, 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 please. And comment and like. I'm not getting enough likes and enough comments. Come on, guys. Please. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm LashGo. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.